Hi, this time I will explain how to bound Telegram to the PearDAO website. First, go to the PearDAO website and click on the Telegram logo in the top right corner. Then, click Go Bind and verify your wallet by interacting with it. This is safe and does not require a gas fee. Next, click Bind Telegram. There are 3 login options that you can use to link Telegram to the PearDAO website. Let's start with the first option. Choose your country and enter the phone number linked with your Telegram account, then click Next. Enter the verification code, then confirm. You have successfully linked Telegram to the PearDAO website. For the second option, click Log into Telegram by QR code. Then, open your Telegram app, go to the device settings menu, and click Link Desktop Device. Scan the QR code using your smartphone and you have successfully linked Telegram to the PearDAO website. As for the third option, use manual binding if you have any issues with options 1 and 2. Click the link below the bind button, enter your Telegram username without the @ symbol, and confirm. Additionally, in the settings menu, you can enable or disable your online status. To protect users from unwanted access to their operation, we only allow 1 Telegram account per address, but multiple addresses per 1 Telegram account. Start trading anonymously on PearDAO.